Good morning, students. Our next concept is algebraic properties in matrices. Out of this, first one is a plus b is equal to b plus a and ab is not equal to ba. This means you know very well this is nothing but commutative law. In 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, all these follows in matrices. First chapter. Okay, so that means in integers, that means natural numbers, integers, rational numbers, and all these we have. Okay, 6th, 7th, 8th. So that all those are commutative, associative, identity, inverse, distributive, all these we have. Okay, same like in matrices also. So a plus b is equal to b plus a means in matrices with respect to addition, commutative hold. With respect to multiplication, commutative not hold. Commutative not hold means it is not possible all cases. Some cases it may be possible. Already we observed by taking some examples. Already that means in our homework or in our material we have more problems based on this one. You might observe all these. That means this a plus b is not equal to b plus a and ab is not equal to ba. Yes. So next one is a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c and ab into c is equal to a into bc. That means what it is? This is nothing but associative law. So in matrices with respect to addition, associative hold, and with respect to multiplication also associative hold. You take some examples. You take different matrices A, B, C, A, B, C, three matrices you take, and first you add these two, and for resulting matrix you add C matrix. So what you get the answer? Same thing you get for this one. First you go for B plus C. For resulting matrix you add A, so you get same answer. For this one also, first you go for so A, B, C. So three different matrices such that matrix multiplication is possible. Such matrices only we should consider. Okay, first you multiply AB, for that one you multiply to C. So what you get the matrix? For same you get for first you multiply BC, for resulting matrix you multiply A. Here order also important. After getting BC, you take BC right side of A only. Okay, so order is important because commutative not hold for all cases. So next one is AI, that means identity matrix. So so here multiplication should be possible. Okay, so AI is equal to IA is equal to A. That means if you multiply identity matrix to any matrix, that gives same matrix. Okay, next one is A plus O is equal to O plus A is equal to A. That means if you add zero matrix, null matrix to any matrix, gives same matrix. Next, AB is equal to O. Product AB is equal to O is not implies. Not implies means this means already I gave one example based on this concept. So if AB is equal to O in the sense here A need not be equal to O and B also need not be equal to O. O means here zero matrix, null matrix. Okay, so need not be any one of them. That means actually in real number system, if product of two numbers is equal to zero means first number zero or second number zero. But here that case is not correct in this matrices. Without taking zero matrix also, you may get product becomes to O. O means null matrix. Okay, next one, sixth one. If AB is equal to AC is not implies B is equal to C. That means in general, if for suppose here I taken 2A is equal to 2B means what can you say? So 2 to cancel, we have A is equal to B. So don't say in the same meaning here. Okay, so AB is equal to AC is need not be B is equal to C. Without taking B is equal to C also we can get AB is equal to AC. For example, you take this example. Let A is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 4 6. B is equal to 8 4 5 5. C is equal to 5 minus 2 3 1. You take this example. Find out AB. After that find out AC. Here B is not equal to C once you observe. But this result will be hold here. Okay, AB what you get same you get for AC. If you want explanation for this one I will give. See here, A, B I am going to find out for this sixth property, this example A, B. So this multiplication A, B, this row to this column you multiply, 2 8s are 16 plus minus 3 into 5, minus 3 5s are 15, this is minus 15. Next one, 2 4s are, this row to this column, 2 4s are 8, 2 5 so minus 3 5s are same minus 15, directly I am writing. Next this row to this column, 4 8s are 32 plus 6 5s are 30, 4 4s are 16, that means minus 16, 6 5s are 30. If you simplify, what you have, 16 minus 15 1, 8 minus 15 minus 7, minus 32 plus 30 minus 2, minus 16 plus 30 14. Okay, for AC also, what is here AC, this row to this column, 2 5s are 10 plus 3 3s are 9, actually minus 9 you get, so that means minus 9. Next one, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Next one, minus 4 into 8 minus 32, 6 3s are, sorry here, so minus 4 into 5, so AC means minus 4 into 5, minus 4 5s are 20 and 6 3s are 18. Next one, minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8, 6 1s are 6 plus 6, so what you have, 10 minus 9, 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 minus 20 plus 18 minus 2, 8 plus 6 14. So what you get, same answer, AB is equal to AC. 1 minus 7 minus 2 14, 1 minus 7 minus 2 14. So what can you conclude? If AB is equal to AC, but need not be say B is equal to C. Okay. So next one, these are very very important. If AB is equal to BA, general AB is not equal to BA. If AB is equal to BA, that means a commutative hold with respect to multiplication, then all these conditions hold. Very simply we can remember, A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB if AB is equal to BA. See, A plus B whole square means A plus B is one matrix. So whole square means multiplication, A plus B into A plus B. Actually how you will get, first you multiply A to A plus B plus B to A plus B. Am I correct or not? So for B to A plus B, multiply A into A square, A into B, AB, plus B into A, BA, plus B into B, B square. Without AB is equal to BA, it is not hold, because if AB is not equal to BA, so just write like this only, don't write 2AB. If AB is equal to BA, then you can write as this BA also AB. So AB plus AB, 2AB. So A square plus 2AB plus B square. So that's why you got AB is equal to BA. So if AB is equal to BA, how you have small letters whenever you take some small A plus B whole square algebra, A square plus B square plus 2AB, same like here also. Here A plus B whole square. Okay. See. Same thing, A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Same like algebraic identities. 8th class, we have all these formulas. But there you take numbers. Here you have to take matrices. So here second one is, third one, A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square is equal to 2 times of A square plus B square. We can prove this one, no problem, by taking some examples. Okay, A comma B, you take some different matrices. Okay, and you substitute, you get the same answers. But proofs is not important, just to remember the formulas. So next one is A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square is equal to 2 times of A square plus B square. Same, we have the same formula we have. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is equal to 4AB. Same formula in algebra what you have. And A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Next, A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. In other words, in factorization method, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Same formula. This formula we have already in algebra. Okay. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. In other words, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Next one is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Or we can write as a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square also we can write. When ab is equal to ba only, all this hold. And a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Same formulas we have in algebra, but in matrices also, if you want to use same formulas, here we should use this condition ab is equal to ba. Otherwise, all these formulas not hold. Okay.